Hello guys, it's a beautiful day today. Temperature is not quite warm yet, but it's around 10 degrees Celsius. And today I'm gonna start prepare my pond for the season. So first thing first, I'm gonna start getting my skimmer ready. So there was a problem with these rings for the shelf, so it was falling off. I did some gluing silicone, and it didn't work. It kept falling off for the last few years. So this year I'm gonna be using this JB Waterweld, so hopefully it will work. So this one is rated for 1300 psi for force and strength. So hopefully this will hold up these rings for my basket shelf and the green Metalla. So what I have for the job today would be, of course, JB Waterweld, a pair of gloves, sandpaper, and putty knife, and some wrapping alcohol, and some paper towel. So as you can see, I already sanded down the area. So I'm gonna use the some is 100% or 99% wrapping alcohol with the paper towel to wipe off the area, and we'll start to put some Waterweld on it. Just wipe up this area after sanding. All right, so put on my gloves. Fell into the water. Plastic wrapping, and wrap the whole thing. I'm gonna be using the whole thing anyway, so try mix small portion at a time. So you try to mix it, squeeze like this with your fingers. Of course, need to wear gloves better until it's a uniform color. Oh, I can smell it, the reaction, and the heat. Feel warm on my fingers already. So I need to bring the camera down so you can see. All right. Okay, I'm going to try to do bottom ring first. I get some water to wet my fingers so it's not so sticky. What's it happen? Alright guys, so I started out with the bottom ring with bigger portions, and so I apply at 4 places. 1, 2, 3, and you can see that, and 4 on this side. Okay, so on the top rings I try out with smaller portions, so I get 8 places, smaller portion. So I don't know, it's a better mix with a smaller portion than a big portion. So I apply 8 places on the top rings. So we'll see. Hopefully the bottom ring would hold in place with bigger portions, and the top one is a different setup. So you got smaller portion, 8 places. So the set time is 25 minutes and the cure time is 1 hour. So I'll come back, I'll leave for 24 hours. I'll come back the next day, tomorrow, and fill up the water. So as you can see, I took down the water a bit just to have this one drying up to do this job. Alright guys, as you can see, I have everything set up, and it's been 24 hours now, so everything is solid. So technically the instructions say curing time is 1 hour, but because the temperature was cut up around 10-13 degrees, so Yesterday, after 2 hours, I tested with my fingernail. I tried to push it on the joint, and then it was still soft. So, but today, after 24 hours, everything is solid now. So, I'm gonna start feeling the water. So, well, hopefully the JB Waterweld will hold up these rings for my skimmer. So let's turn on the water. Alright, heating up now. Air pocket inside it. In full capacity right now. Alright, that's it. That's how I use my that's how I fix my skimmer box with JB Waterweld. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.